The clothes you already own are more valuable than you think. A torn knee, a lost button, a rough hem. These aren't reasons to give up on a garment. They're invitations to create. The Levi's Wear Longer project is here to give you practical repair skills to help you keep the pieces you love longer. Because one of the things you can do for your closet and the planet is learning to work with what you've got. Let's get started.
Hi, my name is Lisa Marie. I'm a tailor for Levi's, and today I'm going to show you how to do a hem. Doing something like this helps you keep clothes in your closet longer. And here's what you'll need. The first thing you do, try on the item and fold the fabric up to the desired length. We're going to use the tape or the ruler to measure the fold, and it looks like we have 2 inches. Step 2, turn the garment inside out. You can do one leg at a time if that's easier. Now I'm just refolding it. We measured it before, so we know it's 2 inches. Step 3, use an iron to create a crisp fold to ensure a straight edge when sewing. It makes our garment easier to work with while we're doing our hem. You want to give yourself a guide for your running stitch so that way it's nice and even. Place your ruler at least 1/2 inch above the fold and use chalk to draw a straight line around the garment to act as your stitching guide. We need it to be straight. And we're going to use chalk so when you press it, it comes off the garment. You're not stuck with a pen line. This chalk line will help you make sure that your stitch stays nice and straight. And now we're going to pin it to keep it secure all the way around. You want to make sure your pins are going vertically so that way you don't get snagged. Okay, we got all the pins all the way around the hem. So now you want to get your thread. And you want to tie a small knot at the very end so it doesn't go through the garment. I like to knot it twice just to make sure. Trim off the end. Then you want to thread your hand needle. We're ready to go. We're going to start with using a simple running stitch, and the reason we're doing a running stitch is because it is one of the most basic and it looks the closest to the original stitch line of the garment. Hand sewing, it takes concentration, takes effort, takes time. When you're working with your hands, you get a sense of accomplishment when you're done with it, and it's the best feeling. As you're sewing, it's important to continually smooth out your fabric so that way it doesn't pull or doesn't bunch up in any areas. And you could use your needle to just kind of finesse it around the pins. And sometimes your thread will come loose from your needle. That's totally fine. Just put it back. You just want to continue going all the way around. The side seams will be a little bit difficult because it's a little bit thicker of a fabric. That's okay. You just gotta wiggle it in. And then we're nearing the end here. And then you're gonna go back over your other stitches just to lock them in. We're back at the beginning now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tie a little knot to secure everything down. When you're tying your knot, you wanna keep it as close to the fabric, to the garment as possible, so that way it doesn't get too loose and end up coming undone. So just wanna pull it to the side and keep your finger there to press it down. Cut off the excess. And now we're ready to take out the pins. All right, so now that we have our pins out and our stitches there, we're gonna take our scissors and cut off this excess so that way it doesn't get caught in our feet when we're putting on our pants. Again, be careful for those side seams. And make sure your blade is right up against that hem. And we made it back around. And then after that, we're gonna fold our garment back right side out. You can use different thread colors, have a little fun with it, make it a style detail. It truly gets easier every time. All right, you did it. And that's how you sew a hem.